In the last episode, we started learning the compound vowels in the Chinese Pinyin system. We learned I, ow, and ya. Today, we'll learn 4 more compound vowels. They are O, wa, wo, and wei. Are you ready? Let's start! First, let's learn how to pronounce O.
O is a compound vowel composed of O and U, pronounced as O. Again, O, U, O, O, U, O. The 4 tones are O, 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 O. O is a meaningful syllable. We'll learn a Chinese character that is pronounced as O, 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 欧洲 Europe, O, 欧洲 Europe.
Now, I'll pick some consonants to work with it.
K, O, ko, K, O, ko, 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 mouth, mouth, ko, ko, mouth, mouth, ko, ko, knock, ko, 叩门 叩门 knocking door. 诗 欧 收 诗 欧 收 收 收 收入 income 收入 income 手 hand 手 hand. Wa is a compound vowel composed of wu and a, pronounced as wa. Again, wu, a, wa, wu, a, wa. The 4 tones are wa, 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 wa. Let's practice a little bit. G, wa, gua. G, wa, gua. Gua, gua. Scrape. Gua, 刮 scrape scrape 挂挂 hang 挂挂 hang hang 挖花挖花花花 flower 花花 flower flower 画画 paint 画画 paint paint
Subscribe. Give me your boost.
Wo is a compound vowel composed of u and o, pronounced as wo. Again, wo, o, wo, wo, o, wo. The four tones are wo, 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 wo. Let's go ahead and practice. Ts, wo, chuo. Ts, wo, chuo. Chuo, chuo. Rub. Chuo, chuo. Rub. Rub. Chuo, chuo. Wrong, mistake. Chuo, chuo. Wrong, mistake. Wo, huo. Wo, huo. Huo, huo. Fire. Huo, huo. Fire, fire. Huo, huo. Or. Huo, huo. Or, or. Wei is a compound vowel composed of w and e, pronounced as wei. Again, w, e, wei, w, e, wei. The four tones are wei, 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 wei. Let's practice with some different consonant babies. 日微瑞日微瑞蕊蕊花蕊 stamen 花蕊 stamen 锐锐尖锐 sharp 锐尖锐 sharp 吃微催吃微催吹吹 blow 吹吹 blow 锤锤 hammer 锤锤 hammer
Okay. O, wa, wo, and wei are the 4 compound vowels we've learned today. Please practice and review what we learned till now. Thank you for your support. See you next time.